Hello guys and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today we have a few Citizen and Q&Q that are made by Citizen watches. So these are from the last estate watch collection that we just bought, where we have a lot of vintage Japanese watches such as Citizen, Loris, Seiko. So make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also watch the rest of the videos. And also, if you are interested in buying vintage watches, make sure to go to vintageradar.com, where we have a Citizen vintage watch collection, link in the description below. So without any further ado, let's have a look at these amazing watches. So we have already tested all of them and they are in working condition. So we only have the ones that are working here on our board, and they will also be listed on the website pretty soon, so make sure to check them out. Here we have a very nice blue dial Citizen piece with the original Citizen bracelet with a snap-off back. And also, as you can see here at 3 o'clock, we have the date complication. So if you only push it once, you will be able to set the date and then simply press it and you'll have the date working as well. Here we have a very nice ladies piece, so from Q&Q, a brand that is also made and owned by Citizen, so also Japanese movements. A very nice interesting bezel here that is fixed, so it is not rotating. Stainless steel strap. And also here you can see that the buckle is signed Q&Q. Then here we have a very simple and small Citizen piece, a very nice simple white dial with Arabic numerals, the original gold tone bracelet. We made sure that we would keep this one. We don't know if this is the original from factory, but it came with it and we thought that it looked cool, so we cleaned it, and now as you can see it also has the original back. Here we have a very interesting model, most likely from the 80s or 90s, here also on the back, but it has this acrylic crystal that is very scratched. But we will do a video where we show you how we polish those crystals, and you can see that we will be able to revive the watch and it will have a look just as new. So if you're interested in vintage watch tutorials, how to repair them, how to restore them, to clean them, and how they work, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel because we have a lot of videos in which we show that. Here we have a very nice rectangular shaped case. It has a very scratched crystal, but it has some very nice and unique rainbow colors in certain angles from the light. It comes most likely with the original bracelet. As you can see, it starts larger and then it becomes smaller. And it is also very easy to flip on the other side. You can have a look at the back and then simply flip it all the way back. The last one on this extensive, so flexible watch strap is this Q&Q. Very simple dial, a very interesting case. As you can see, it has 3 levels and it starts from here and it goes all the way. So it actually prepares the style of the bracelet. Very interesting feature. And now starting from the left to the right, first we have this two-tone Citizen piece with this very nice strap. As you can see, stainless steel here, which is silver tone, and then we have the gold tone, and also the links between those are also gold tone. The watch crystal is in very good condition. We have a day date function, so that means that we have both the day of the month and the day of the week, which can be set using the crown. Here you can set the day of the month, and if you go the other way around, you can actually set the day of the week. So very nice and elegant piece. Then we have another two-tone model with a very cool and interesting dial, very simple gray dial, dark, and it fits very well with this inner silver stainless steel part that seems to be continuing itself from the bracelet to the dial. The rest is gold tone. And also for the model, guys, here on the back, 5920. Then we have once again the two-tone bracelet. As you can see, there are some very small imperfections, that is from wear or age. As you can see, stainless steel ages very beautifully. It has a small problem here on the dial. Most likely we will be able to take that with a polish or maybe replace the watch crystal. Then we have a very thin piece right here, once again with this very cool and unique dial. It has those rainbow reflections, which is something that I really like on these models. Very nice links that would easily go on your wrist, and they do not scratch or they don't feel rigid or rough to the wrist. Very cool piece. Here we have another one with the original bracelet. This one is missing the watch strap, but we will have a new one placed in. Here on the back you can see the watch model. Also here we have a very cool piece with a very interesting dial, black one, and also this very unique case shape. This is very nice, but also very hard to find crystals for this exact model. We'll try to figure out what we can do with it. Here we have a very simple lion's dial with the lion that is 3D. And here on the back you can see that it is signed Citizen Watch Co. So it is made by Citizen. Here we have a piece on leather, black leather strap. We have the gold tone Q&Q model. Very good for daily wear. Simple model. Here we have another two-tone simple model with the black dial. As you can see, you do not have any hour markers except for the 12 o'clock where you have a gold tone piece. And then here at 6 o'clock you have the Q from Quartz, Citizen Quartz. And then here we have another one, most likely from the 80s or 90s. These are very nice pieces, old models, and something that we really like about vintage Japanese watches is that their movements are very well made, and that means that they work even after 30-40 years, and most likely will keep on working for another 30-40 years as long as you take care of them. Here we have a very nice small Citizen piece with a very unique bracelet. As you can see, it is the original one. You can see that this middle pattern is polished, whereas the exterior continues itself to the watch case. Very nice piece, most likely an elegant one. And also, guys, here on the back you can see the watch model. So those were the Citizen watches from our collection. If you are interested in other pieces as well, such as Seiko, Pulsar, Loris, and we also have a Timex collection, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like this video, and until next time, guys, all the best.